Alright, so we got this adapter. I was using this, but not for the fancy stuff. This is for FM transmission. But anyway, I needed to see my voltage. So I wanted something that'll show voltage, but also not lose whatever stuff I have going on. So we got this air adapter. We don't know what all this stuff is, so says it's gonna show the voltage here. You have a 2.4, 2.4, and a Type C. You have a 10 amp fuse. Not like we're gonna use anything in a modern car. They give you some extra 10 amp fuses. I think this is to either stabilize it in here or stabilize. Yeah, I think that's to stabilize it. If you have a wider one, I think that's for. See these 4 notches meet these 4 things. I think that's just to stabilize it if you have a bigger one. So anyway, here's the good old manual. I want to show this because it's kind of funny. It's saying it comes with a 10 amp fuse, for the over voltage. Yeah. Obviously, it's bad Chinese to English because an over voltage is not going to blow your fuse, and you can't over voltage. There's only a 12 volt source. Duh. Anyway, so what's kind of weird is it's saying the Type C only does 1.5, 1 amp out, while your USB normal will do 2.4. It's kind of odd. The whole point of the Type C port was it can handle higher current. But whatever. Whatevs. Alright, let's see what happens. And you have an on-off switch. So let's see if it even fits in here. Alright, we're pretty steady in there. That's cool. So I guess that rubber thing is to stop it from wobbling. We're at 12.9 volts. That's pretty cool. Let's see. At least one of these in here. That's my other phone. Awesome. Nicely charging. That's not the thing's fault. That's the cable. Cool. Anyhow, it's off. That's why, right? How do you know it's on and off? Oh, I see. It turns on these things, not the USB is always on. Okay. So that's just the phone. I probably have to unlock it to get that to work. Anywho. Okay. Let's see. Now that we have our voltage shown, we can plug this puppy in, turn it on. 12.8, 12.9. We're good. You could bend this thing so it points down instead of up. So that's pretty cool. Maybe I'll wrap it with carbon fiber. Of course, in the Q5, this carbon fiber is going the wrong direction. Whatevs. Obviously, I'm not going to do that. It'd be nice to see this thing actually